Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a couple items that I got in a Voxbox from Influencer. So if you are interested in seeing more of these videos when I get new ones, please subscribe down below. That would be an encouraging move for me, and that would let me know that you guys are interested in seeing these. So I did just open this, but my video didn't save, so I'm just going to go through it all really quick now that I know what is in the box. The box is actually this really pretty green color, and I forgot to mention I did get these things for free. They send them to me for my input and my review, and then I do have to work a little bit for these, but I think it's worth it. So if you'd be interested in figuring out how to get one yourself, maybe leave a comment down below and I might make a future video on that. So the first item that I have in the box is actually Brach's milk raisins. I believe they are like double coated. I'm not a big raisin fan, but I'm going to find someone that is, so that they can let me know what they think about them. This is the bag. They do retail for about $3 a bag. I think at Walmart they're like $3.30, which is what I would expect for a snack. I do love chocolate, just not raisins. So the next item that I have is Cest Moi. I'm probably saying that wrong. I have no idea. It is shimmer body lotion. It is the Vanilla Vibes fragrance. And this one retails for $29. I did try some earlier. It is a really nice consistency. I mean, what else are you going to get from a lotion? But it just feels very moisturizing. It has a hint of vanilla to it. You can definitely smell the vanilla, but it also kind of smells like sunscreen in a way, but I don't believe there's any sunscreen in it. It says that it is made for young, delicate skin. I do get a card like this that kind of gives me a brief overview of what's in the box. And it says, give skin a beautiful hint of shimmer with this moisturizing body lotion packed full of organic shea butter and aloe. So if you're interested in knowing what's in it, shea butter, avocado oil, flaxseed oil, and aloe. This ultra hydrating formula provides the perfect natural glow and finish to the skin. And then it also says there's no synthetic fragrance, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil, propylene glycol, or dyes. So that is pretty important to some people, and I think that's very honorable. I do appreciate that. I enjoy putting natural things on my skin. I trust it more. So the next two items that I have are both from Wet n Wild. The first one is a shimmer liquid eyeshadow. It is in Cashmere Love. This is what it looks like. And I did swatch it. I'm going to include a picture of it on one of the two sides. Not sure which side I have more room on, but you'll see it. And it has dried on my skin now because I swatched it earlier, and it's very shimmery. It's still there, and even whenever I rub on it, it does have some takeaway, but it's not much. Alright, and then the last item is a Wet n Wild High Shine lipstick. This one is in Peach Stole My Look. So this one, obviously, since it's a high shine lipstick, it doesn't stick the best. I mean, I probably just bumped it once, but basically all of it came off. But it is very shimmery, it's thicker, and it's a really nice color, probably for someone younger than me. I don't know. I'm kind of into the darker tones, or like more natural right now, but it is a very pretty shade. I'd probably wear both of these to a holiday party. They would be nice together. But I will test them more in depth, and I will leave a review for them on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle on the next slide. If you're interested, go ahead and follow me on there, and I'll keep you up to date with what I think of these products after using them for a little while. Alright, thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye!